Hello friends, today is 13th October. 13th October is celebrated as a No Bra Day worldwide. This day is celebrated for the awareness of breast cancer and also may be a tribute to all the women who are suffering from breast cancer. In India, how many girls and women know about this No Bra Day? I think very few girls and women are aware about this day. So, today I am sharing some information about this day. No Bra Day is celebrated on 13th October, on which women are encouraged to go braless as a means to encourage breast cancer awareness. Initially, this No Bra Day was celebrated on July 9, 2011, but within 3 years, it has moved to the 13th day of National Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Users on social media are encouraged to post using the hashtag No Bra Day to promote awareness of breast cancer symptoms and to encourage gender equality. Some women embrace No Bra Day as a political statement, while others prefer the comfort of discarding what they view as a restrictive, uncomfortable garments. The event was spun off a medical event in Toronto, Canada, that encourages breast cancer survivors to consider reconstructive surgery. It was first held on October 19, 2011. The medical event was named BRA, means Breast Reconstructive Awareness Day. It was adapted by individuals who conceive of No Bra Day as a way to encourage women to enjoy being braless and to become knowledgeable about breast cancer symptoms. This day may be controversial as some see it as a sexualizing and exploiting women's bodies, while at the same time belting a serious disease. On this day, I must advise and suggest to all girls and women, please don't wear so tight bra. It will harmful to your body. Wear soft and cotton bras according to your breast size. You must remove your bra before going to sleep. It will help your breast to breathe freely and you also feel so relaxed. So enjoy this day and celebrate it. Thank you so much.